in that area, right? The Chambal Valley of Madhya Pradesh, it is one such example. Then when a river flow down from hill, it will carry mud along with it. On reaching this plain, the river, it will slope down and it leave the part of soil on its way. Over a period of time, the soil will accumulate and make the river change its course. അതായത് ഹിൽസിൽ നിന്ന് റിവേഴ്സ് ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്ത് വരുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ക്യാരി മഡ് ഓർ സോയിൽ എലോങ് വിത്ത് ഇറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഹിൽസ് എങ്ങനെയാണ്, ചരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലമാണ്. പ്ലെയിൻ ഏരിയയിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് പറ്റും, അതിൻ്റെ സ്പീഡ് കുറഞ്ഞ് ആ മണ്ണിന് അത് ഒഴുകുന്നിടത്ത് അവിടെ അടിഞ്ഞുകൂടി കിടക്കും അല്ലേ. മണ്ണ് അത് പോകുന്ന വഴിയിൽ മണ്ണിനെ ഉപേക്ഷിച്ചിട്ടിട്ട് പോകും. സ്ലോപ്പിൽ കൂടെ മണ്ണിനെയും കൂട്ടി വന്നിട്ട് പ്ലെയിനിലെത്തുമ്പോൾ സ്ലോ ഡൗൺ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അത്രയും മണ്ണ് ഒഴുകി പോകില്ല. അപ്പോൾ മണ്ണ് അവിടെ അടിഞ്ഞുകൂടി കിടക്കും. അങ്ങനെ അടിഞ്ഞുകൂടി the soil, it will start accumulate, and what will happen, the river will be not able to flow over that area. അപ്പോൾ റിവർ അതിൻ്റെ ഒഴുക്ക് മാറ്റിവിടും. ഓക്കെ, it will change its course. Then have you heard about the Yellow River in China? And this Yellow River in China, it is known as the Sorrow of China. Okay, do you know why it is Sorrow of China? Why it is called Sorrow of China? Because this Yellow River, it is like this. It will change its course very often. Okay, this river, it will wash off their soil and they will not be able to cultivate. Okay, and this results in the loss of life and property of the people. When this river changes course often, the people, they will not be live on that area. Okay, then another example is in the Bihar, there is a river called River Koshi. Okay, this River Koshi, it also changes its course frequently. Okay, then it changed its course frequently, caused the great havoc in 2008 when lakhs of people were affected. Okay, this is how the running water causes the soil erosion. The next agent is wind. Okay, soil erosion by wind. In deserts and semi-desert region where there is strong wind, along with the wind, it will take a good part of the topsoil along with it. This will affect the farmers because the nutrients are all blown away, right? When this wind carry off the topsoil, the nutrient-rich soil is carried by the wind, isn't it? So the farmers, they are not able to cultivate there. Okay, then the roots of plants lose their soil cover and the plants will eventually die. So this is the next stage, and that is wind. When the wind blows, it will carry the topsoil along with it. Then the next is human beings. Okay, you may be wondering how we are causing the soil erosion. നമ്മൾ പോകുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അത്ര പേരത്ത് we are not taking the topsoil along with us, right? So how we are causing the soil erosion? Let's see. The roots of trees and plants hold the soil together, right? Felling of trees or deforestation is the major cause of soil erosion. When the trees are cut down, soil becomes loose and is easily carried away, right? The roots of the plants and trees, it will hold the soil when the water flow, when there is heavy rain, when the roots of the plants and trees, it will hold the topsoil. If these trees and plants are cut off, or if there is deforestation, what will happen? The soil, it can easily carried by the flowing water, right? So plowing of hill slopes is yet another human factor that leads to soil erosion. Overgrazing by cattle also cause soil erosion. Okay, when we cultivate along the sides of hills, what will happen? We are cutting the large trees and planting small fields and like all that, right? So the trees, they can hold, their roots can hold the soil tightly. Okay, so if we plant this small plants along the hill slopes, when this heavy water flow through the hill slope, this topsoil, it can be easily washed off. Okay, similarly, if we rear cattle over there also, the plants will be eaten by them and the soil, it can be easily removed by the rain. Okay, so these are the agents that cause the soil erosion. Which are the agents? They are running water, wind and human beings. Okay. So what is soil erosion? The process of water or wind carrying away the soil. It is called soil erosion. Which are the agents of soil erosion? It can be either by the running water, or it can be either by wind or by human beings. Okay, so these are the causes of soil erosion. Hope you guys understood about soil erosion. In the coming classes, we will learn how we can preserve our soil, or how can we stop or control the soil erosion.